Hey, welcome back to Excel Dent Removal. Today we've got a 2018 Ford F-150 in the shop here to repair this crease. Now if this is your first time here and you're looking for information on paintless dent repair, keep watching because I'm going to show you how we remove the dent in this door on this particular vehicle and repairing this crease. But if this doesn't answer the questions for you, definitely check out my channel. I do have more videos there with paintless dent repair for creases, glue pulling, variety of different types of repairs. Not every repair is the same, so we're going to take care of this one here today. And after you're done watching this video, if you like what you saw, I'd appreciate a like and a subscribe if you want to see more paintless dent repair videos. Alright, so I'm all finished up repairing the crease in the door of this aluminum F-150, and I'm going to show you the final excellent results at the end of the video. But first, I want to show you a few of the tools I ended up having to use to repair this damage and the reasons why I chose these tools. So let's take a look at them. Now, most of these are all basically a whale tail design. Now, this first one I used was a special reverse whale tail tool that I had specially made from A1 PDR Tools. And this is not something they list on their site. I actually had them custom make this one for me. And if you kind of look at it, it's kind of got some curves into it. And that's because it's had some use. And the reason I like this tool is because when I do go down the door, the handle faces the opposite direction. And the edges don't rub on the door and make high spots. And then when going down the door with this tool, it gets right behind those braces really nice for me. So that's the nice feature of this, is it has some bends in it, but you know, for some people they want a more rigid tool. Now if you take a look at halfway through the repair here, I worked the crease from one direction, but once we work it the other way, what's pretty common with a crease is you have to work it from a different angle, and you end up with several little lows that maybe you can kind of see here. So what I had to do in order to do that, this first tool here that I had, the edges are just so worn down on it. If you take a closer look, really don't have much of a point left on any of these edges. So I probably need to order a new one from them, which would be perfect. What I ended up using was this whale tail from Dentcraft. Basically about the same size, a little bit more stiff. You can see this one here barely bends. It has no flex. Pretty straight tool, but it did have a little bit sharper edges for me, and it's a little bit more stiff to push some of those lows out. And so with that, the last one I have is another tool here, another whale tail, about the same size, from A1 PDR tool. And this is one of their whale tails. It's a little bit thinner, a little bit smaller head on it there, and this one probably has a little bit of flex. And I had to use this one because getting down inside the door here, once I was running into that door brace, the stiffer tool just wasn't getting me down in there as far as I needed to. So this one with a little bit more flex in it wraps around that brace a little bit better. Here is the tool that I used, the knockdown tip, a little bit worn down. This one is the, I believe it's called the Pirate Peg Leg from Edgy Tools. And this is a great tip. I love this tip for aluminum, really good for that. So if you want, I will leave a link to some of these tools that I use down in the description if you want to check some of those out. Like I said, with the one reverse whale tail from A1 PDR tool, that one's a specially made custom tool, so if you go to them, you'll have to ask them to make one for you. Hey, alright, thanks for checking out the video this far. Let's take a final look at the results we had with the crease in the door of this F-150. And we've got some excellent results here for our customer. He's going to be extremely happy with what we did here. He wanted to get a perfect repair. This is what we provided for him. Now if you made it this far and you're interested in more paintless dent repair, you can check out this other videos we have here. I have another F-150 that we took care of a door ding crease in. You can take a look at that along with some other aluminum paintless dent repair videos. And if you'd like, go ahead and subscribe. You're going to see more videos that we put out just about almost every week on paintless dent repair. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.